All right, so this is the water fountain example. So we looked at our grid and we found our y coordinates to match our x coordinates. Now we're going to go over to our calculator. If you need to turn on your your diagnostics, then you'll hit second and 0. Go all the way down to diagnostic on and hit enter twice so that you see the message done. Hopefully you already have it turned on. So now we're going to put in our x and y coordinates. So stat, hit enter. For list 1, it is 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. For list 2, our y coordinates, it is 0, 4, 5, 6, 5, and 4. Hit stat again, go over to calc, down to quad reg, enter. Go down to calculate and hit enter again. And this gives us our values that we need to put in for our quadratic regression equation. So our a value is going to be negative 0.24. Our b value is 2.37. And our c value is 0.06. So our equation is y equals negative 0.24 x squared plus 2.37 x plus 0.06. Now we need to find our coefficient of determination, which is also shown here because we turned on our diagnostics. So that is going to be 0.9, oops, not a very good 9 there. Try that again. So 9 and 9 and 8. All right. So that is the end of this video.